What's up, everybody? It's your girl Agatha, and today we're diving headfirst into the wonderful world of slime. Get ready to unleash your inner child because we're making 5 awesome DIY slime recipes that will have your creativity oozing out of every pore. Yeah, you heard me right. 5 different kinds of slime. We got fluffy slime, glitter slime, even slime that glows in the dark. We're talking epic slime levels here, people. Now I know what you're thinking. Slime? That's for kids. Wrong. Slime is for everyone, my friends. It's a stress reliever, a boredom buster, and let's be honest, it's just plain fun to play with. Whether you're 8 or 80, there's a slime recipe out there with your name on it. So, grab your ingredients, put on your slime making game face, and let's get this gooey party started. You won't believe how easy it is to make your own slime at home. Trust me, you're gonna want to try all 5 recipes. Let's do this. Alright, slime rookies, let's kick things off with the OG of slimes. Classic glue slime. First up, grab your white glue. We're gonna use a whole bottle because, well, more slime is always more fun, am I right? Pour that bad boy into a bowl. Next, add a little bit of water, maybe about 1/4 cup, and mix it up really well. You want the glue to be nice and smooth. Now for the magic ingredient, borax. This is what transforms our glue and water mixture into glorious slime. Don't worry, we're only using a teaspoon of borax dissolved in a cup of water. Slowly add the borax solution to your glue mixture while mixing continuously. You'll see it starting to thicken up right before your eyes. Once it all comes together, knead it with your hands for a few minutes to get that perfect slime consistency. Get ready for the ultimate sensory experience with this fluffy slime recipe. It's like holding a cloud in the palm of your hand. Start with the same base as our classic slime, a bottle of white glue and 1/4 cup of water mixed thoroughly. Now let's get fluffy. Grab your shaving cream and don't be shy. We're going in with a whole can. Add it gradually to the glue mixture, mixing well after each addition. This is where the magic happens. Once your mixture resembles a fluffy cloud, it's time to add the borax solution. Just like before, dissolve a teaspoon of borax in a cup of water and slowly add it to your fluffy mixture while stirring. It's going to get super thick and gooey, but don't panic. Keep kneading it until it forms a smooth, irresistible ball of fluff. Prepare to be dazzled because we're adding some serious sparkle to our slime game. This glitter slime recipe is perfect for all you magpies out there. We'll start with our trusty base, a bottle of glue and 1/4 cup of water mixed to perfection. Now for the fun part, your glitter. Choose your favorite colors and go wild. Pour in as much or as little as you like, but trust me, more is always more when it comes to glitter. Mix that glitter into the glue mixture until it's sparkling like a disco ball. Now, add your borax solution. 1 teaspoon borax dissolved in 1 cup water, slowly while stirring constantly. Keep kneading until the slime comes together and all the glitter is evenly distributed. You can even add some extra glitter at the end for an extra dose of sparkle. Get ready to light up the night with this awesome glow-in-the-dark slime. It's like having a piece of the galaxy in your hands. We're starting with our classic base, a bottle of white glue and 1/4 cup of water, mixed well. Now, for the glow up, you can use either glow-in-the-dark paint or glow powder for this recipe. If you're using paint, add a tablespoon or two to the glue mixture and mix it thoroughly. If you're using powder, start with a teaspoon and add more until you get your desired glow intensity. Once your mixture is glowing with potential, it's time to add the borax solution. 1 teaspoon borax in 1 cup water. Slowly pour it in while stirring constantly. Keep kneading until the slime forms a smooth ball and glows evenly. Now, turn off the lights and watch your creation come to life. Get ready for a slime experience that's good enough to eat with this edible slime recipe. This one's perfect for our younger slime enthusiasts, with adult supervision, of course. For this recipe, we're going to use a bag of mini marshmallows. Pour them into a microwave-safe bowl and microwave in 30-second intervals, stirring each time until they're completely melted and smooth. You can also use a double boiler if you prefer. Now, add a few drops of food coloring to the melted marshmallows and mix well. You can use one color or get creative and make a rainbow slime. Once your color is mixed in, slowly add powdered sugar, about a tablespoon at a time, and mix until you reach your desired slime consistency. It should be stretchy and gooey, just like regular slime, but completely safe to eat. And there you have it, Slime Masters. 5 awesome DIY slime recipes that will keep you entertained for hours on end. Which one was your favorite? Let me know down in the comments. I'm dying to know what gooey creations you come up with. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you had fun sliming with me today. It really helps my channel grow and lets me know what kind of content you want to see more of. Make sure you're subscribed and hit that notification bell so you never miss a new video. I'll be back next week with more fun and exciting DIYs. Until then, stay slimy.